Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sanbonani, ligama Sibusiso Ngwenya Sibongo. Sithengisa alkaline water. We are from Phiri and Nyoni, hygiene solutions. I've realized that you're not supposed to just drink water just to quench the thirst, but there must be benefits as well. The benefits that we have here in this water, it's acid reflux. Remember the food that we eat these days, kulisa, kune acid, acid, and an acidic body is a very, very unhealthy body. So what we do here with this water, you flush out all those toxins, those unwanted toxins in your body. The more you drink this water, the more you enjoy the benefits as well. And it tastes great, that's what I can say. Better hydration as well. You can get me on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 073 53 11657. 073 53 11657. Our office is at number 34 Marais Street in Nelspruit. Igama lami Husbu, I'm a kasi entrepreneur. And please, other entrepreneurs out there, let's not just sleep and fold our arms and wait for government to help us. Let's try and do something. That's us, Zamin.